see if we can get a first start, man, for the YouTube. Come on, Rusty. You know you can do it, Rusty. Gotta talk to him. What's up with these batteries have pop-off? Like all these shit suck. I should just go buy a new battery. That's a new battery already. See that? And then she cut off. I don't know. Somebody was telling me something about the car, but I don't know. We're gonna have to figure this out. As you can see, getting ready to do a quick oil change. Show his sweats up on it here. See, it's greasy in there. The oil don't look dirty. Let that drain a little bit more and take the filter off. Yeah, y'all, so some of it was coming out clean and some of that shit was super black. But I tell you one thing, there was way too much oil in there. That's this is a 7 quart, and that's almost full, bro. I know this V6 does not take 7 quarts. I'm guilty as charged for putting about a half a quart in there before starting it the other day. But yeah, I don't know. That's way too much oil. And this is the oil filter that they gave me at the parts store. Compared to that one, that's just way taller, but as long as it look right, it feel right. So I just looked it up. It says 5 quarts with the filter. So put a little oil in this filter. We working, y'all, we working. Get it right. You know I didn't pour 2 quarts of oil in there, bro. I know I did. Look at that. That thing is full. That shit like black water. It's crazy. Alright, so I got the drain plug in, got the oil filter on, hand tight. Remove this jack stand that I stole from somebody. Return it like oh, it was never here. Always safety first, guys. Always. Put you back on the tripod real quick. Little baby ass funnel. That's what I need to get to, some funnels. I like to check for leaks before and after too, so as soon as I'm done with this, I'll look under, see if the oil plug is leaking or the filter housing. Alright, I got that cap on, and while I was over there, I was looking. You know, I just be looking. And what I find? Voila! That's obviously broken, and that looks like some type of vacuum line. So, anybody know where this goes? Goes to this canister. And like I said, when I bought it from the kid, he said it's just a vacuum line. So, I like to believe people, you know? I like to trust them until they can't be trusted. So no, sir, but not for real. Yeah, we gotta figure out where this goes. So it connects in here. I feel like it goes somewhere that way. Because look, this is angled that way, and these other two holes, this is going that way. So where does this one go? Yeah, because I think they go, look, they supposed to go through there, then I'm assuming maybe at least one of them goes through there. So yeah, my phone might die, but I don't know, guys. We gotta find it. Gotta find it. Shout out to O'Reilly for charging battery for your boy. Shout out O'Reilly. I sure hope that's a little small vacuum leak, you feel me? And then we can just get tuned up and get rolling. For real, cause, you know, I gotta drive a box Chevy, bro. I got to, whether it's this one or the giveaway. But this one's far from road ready. The giveaway, on the other hand, we're doing that rear end tomorrow morning and painting the fender wells tomorrow morning. Well, the fender wells gonna come first. We're gonna clean up the rear end. Maybe use a little metal prep, some wire wheels. Get that painted, bring that here with the fender wells. And then we're gonna start putting that suspension together. Oh yeah. So this is what I got from O'Reilly's today. For the 81 too though, I'm starting off light. These are the strap bolts for the gas tank. Get the gas tank and straps soon. These are some spark plugs. Had to get it. 30 bucks. Especially when it said that V6. Even though it's not the 4.3, but you know. My car should be in there hopefully. If not, oh well, we still need it. But yeah, What am I doing now? So much. Yo, this is what happens when you building 3 cars at once. Like, you can't even think straight, bro. See if I can find that vacuum. Oh, that's why I went over here. Because I have some T connectors. I'm ready to get this thing cleaned up. And I got leather. I need to wipe it down. These are for the side of the trunk to protect your wires from getting wet and stuff. If you watch my videos when I was cleaning out the trunk, you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay. Don't piss me off now. Colgate in there. I don't even use Colgate, bro. I use fluoride-free toothpaste, bro. Oh, there we go. Hiding, bro. You see? Trying to hide from me, brother. Trying to get you right. You over here hiding. I don't want no damn Colgate. I know mad people like, I use Colgate. I know. I use it every once in a while, too. Nah, no, sir. I stopped using Colgate. Fluoride-free, my boy. Hopefully we got a connector in here or something that we can use. But I'm gonna pull this breather off real quick and see if I can find the vacuum leak. Vacuum leak. And I cut y'all right back on. So I found it. Right here. Now, I need to find out what that is. Sure hope it's something I can buy. For real, dealing with these old schools. Is there a part number? Shout out GM, bro. This is why I fuck with GM. Instead of you sitting there trying to figure out what this is, even though I should know what this is, but it's on the top of the, I think it's some type of, it's on top. I feel like it has to do with coolant and temperature sensor with vacuum lines. It's on top of the thermostat. Weird looking thermostat. Yeah. Y'all probably can't see like that bad lighting, but this right here. So let me search that part number up real quick, and I'm gonna replace these hoses, these heat hoses. See if I can get the diameter off of it. 5/8. See where it was made in USA. Yeah, man, this is my Canada car. Tell Drake I've been to Canada. I went to Canada to go pick this up. Once that's fixed, bro, I just hope it runs right. I want to start it right now because I just did the oil change, but other than that, I am going to try to do the okie doke. If you know what I'm going to do, drop it in the comments. The plastic piece is still in there. Don't judge me. I'm Poe. But yeah, I'm gonna see if I can pull that out real quick and if I can somehow JB weld that thing on there. Something plastic weld on it. Yeah, see y'all in a minute. I lied, y'all. That's why you never trust nobody. It's like, that's not the vacuum line. This baby right here. Look at her. Clearly she's broken and not spoken. And it's a T connector. Right there. That's definitely where it broke from. Try to get to the bottom of this. Fuck Chevy world. My phone dying. So if it cut off, that means the video's over. I don't think I could do this in my other box Chevys. Jump in the whole engine bay like this. Come on, sucker. Not trying to mess up the hole. There we go. One more to go. Matter of fact, let me bring the camera over here. I can see. And so y'all can see. And I can remember what the hell was going on. Shit, now my connectors are even mad. I tell you one thing, suspension feel good. Suspension feels good. Should I step back on? I tell you, with these old schools, you gotta celebrate your wins. No matter how big or small, bro. Celebrate your wins because you're gonna take more losses than wins, bro. But your wins are gonna feel better. They're definitely gonna feel better. T connector. That's the closest connector I could find. Yep. She just started right up. She was trying to stay running way better. Way better. Way better. Way better. But we still gotta work some kinks. I'm gonna do those spark plugs. I'm looking for AC Delco wires. It seems like none of the auto parts store has the AC Delco wires, but I have the part number, so I'm gonna look that up. And we're going to do valve covers tomorrow. So tomorrow we're gonna do valve covers, and well, we have to power wash this first. So we're gonna power wash it and then try to do some valve covers. Let me disconnect this battery. And I appreciate everybody who's locking in. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Giveaway box Chevys coming to the street near you. Peace.